Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your device is signed into the Google account that runs Gemini. This ensures you toggle the right assistant. Once done, make sure the device has at least 20% charge and is on Wi-Fi so settings save. Now open Settings, scroll to Google, and tap Settings for Google Apps. This is where Assistant controls live. Move quickly. These are the first actionable steps that let you reach the Assistant controls without extra detours or app installs. You're in the right place. Tap Search, Assistant and Voice, then select Google Assistant. Here, you'll find general controls and a list of Assistant-capable devices. Disable the Assistant globally by toggling off the main Google Assistant switch. If you prefer device-level control, expand Assistant devices and turn off the phone or tablet entry. Make sure to confirm prompts. Some devices ask to disable voice match or remove personal results. This stops the assistant from listening and responding on that account or device. Finish by restarting the device so the change takes effect and the assistant's cache state clears. After reboot, open Settings for Google Apps again to confirm the assistant toggle stays off, and make sure voice match and personalized results are disabled if privacy is a concern. If Gemini still activates, go to Apps right arrow Google right arrow permissions and revoke microphone access. That forces the assistant to stop hearing triggers. If problems persist, sign out of the Google account as a last resort. This removes assistant access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.